Hello, this is mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Hello, this is mic testing 1 2 3 4.
Hello, welcome to my first ever face cam video, I guess. So I just bought this microphone a long time ago, K9 wireless microphone. So today I'm gonna unbox this and show you some quality, or you can say, I don't know. I'm gonna try this on the test. So let's get started unboxing. All right. Let's try this.
Power off.
Hello, hello. Hello, this is mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Hello. Hello, this is mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is going on? Hello.
All right, I'm gonna try this on this phone. Where are you guys watching this from? So earlier the voices you have heard was from the direct phone, and now you are listening from this microphone. And I don't know how the sound quality is. And yeah, I guess that's the video. I think there is nothing to show you. Just now comment below how much do you like the quality. I am also just doing some noise is around the mic, and I'm just very sweaty because fans are off, windows are closed. This channel is my main channel. I'm gonna post my uh every day, all day, all types of videos that I feel like I'm gonna post on this channel. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, smash the subscribe button, hit on the like, and do comment. I want to see what do you guys think about the quality, and what types of videos you guys want me to show. And I'm going to starting a body transformation journey because I'm really fat.